We were actually in the position where we were looking to move, and we needed to move quickly. You know, we had kind of bills accumulating and things like that. I was kind of running on, you know, what I had saved up. So we decided to go the route of, you know, doing an actual, you know, putting the house up on the market, you know, dealing with a realtor, things like that. But to get qualified for an FHA loan, there was a lot of things that we had to do for our older home. You know, it was built in the 50s. So plumbing was one of them, you know, roofing, there was parts that we needed to patch and fix and things like that. So there was a lot of money that we had to invest up front. It got to the point where, you know, with how much stuff she has accumulated in 30 years living in that house, it would have taken a very long time to, you know, probably, you know, a couple, 2-3 months for us to actually get it to the point where we can actually put it up on the market and sell it. So, and we just don't have that kind of time nor that kind of money saved up to cover all bills, because I left my job, you know, because we already knew that we were going to be moving and things like that. So I was just looking up for investors, and sure enough, I think one of the first links I saw was his, and so I clicked on it and gave him a call, or actually I might have emailed him, but either way, he got to me pretty quickly, and we just talked from there. And, you know, one thing that I do like is, you know, people that are very, you know, persistent. They're, you know, when you get in touch with them, they get in touch with you right away. And, you know, when you guys are going back and forth, they do get right back to you, especially if you have questions, things like that. And he was very good at that. So he just basically asked, what was it that we needed to, you know, be satisfied, you know, and have our bills paid, and, you know, have our future move, you know, be covered, and, you know, and have money to live on, and, you know, and put away for the next house that we're going to purchase in 15 months. So we kind of just agreed on a price, and, you know, we talked amongst each other, and we felt like it was fair. So I think he held himself up professionally, and, you know, just had our best interests in heart, and that's good. You know, I think that kind of made me feel comfortable, you know, because, you know, like I said, he had our best interests at heart, and, you know, he just, you know, wanted to make sure that if we were going to sell this house, our needs were met, and which they were. So I would definitely recommend him.